Ever felt that tight squeeze between paychecks? That moment when an unexpected bill hits, or you just need a little boost to get you through the week? You're not alone. We've all been there. And in the digital age, quick financial solutions are popping up everywhere. Today, we're diving deep into one of those solutions, Beforepay. Specifically, we're tackling the burning question, how much does Beforepay actually approve for? Now, before we get to the numbers, let's understand the context. Beforepay positions itself as a responsible wage advance service. It's not a loan, but rather a way to access a portion of your upcoming pay early, without the hefty interest rates of traditional lenders. This service is designed to bridge those short-term financial gaps, those moments where a few extra dollars can make a world of difference. But, and this is crucial, it's not a magic money tree. Beforepay uses a sophisticated algorithm to assess your financial situation and determine how much they're willing to advance. This isn't a one-size-fits-all scenario. Many factors come into play. First, your income is a major player. Beforepay needs to see a consistent and reliable income stream to ensure they can recoup the advanced funds. They'll typically ask for bank statements to verify your pay frequency and amount. Next, your spending habits are under the microscope. They want to see how you manage your money. Are you a responsible spender, or do you frequently overdraw your account? This information helps them gauge the risk associated with advancing you funds. Then, there's your existing financial commitments. Do you have other loans or regular bills? These commitments impact your ability to repay the advance. So, let's get down to brass tacks. While there's no fixed amount, generally, Beforepay approves advances ranging from $50 to $2,000. However, most users report initial approvals in the lower end of this range, often between $100 and $500. As you consistently use the service and demonstrate responsible repayment, your approved amount may increase. It's important to note that Beforepay charges a fixed 5% fee on each advance, regardless of the amount. This fee is clearly stated, and there are no hidden charges. The approval process is typically quick, often taking just a few minutes. You link your bank account, and the algorithm does its magic. If approved, the funds are usually transferred to your account within an hour. Remember, Beforepay is a tool, not a long-term solution. It's designed for those unexpected expenses, the short-term bumps in the road. It's crucial to use it responsibly and understand the fees involved. Relying on wage advances consistently can lead to a cycle of debt, which defeats the purpose of the service. Ultimately, the amount Beforepay approves for varies from person to person, depending on their individual financial situation. So, while it can be a helpful tool, it's essential to understand the terms and use it wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.